Greetings, fellow tech enthusiasts. We got ourselves a little treasure trove of tech goodness here, and a decade-old Lenovo M92p with an Intel Core i7-2600 CPU clocking at the speedy 3.4 GHz and 4 physical cores, 8 threads, and 12 gigs of RAM to boot. If you have no idea what I'm doing, then you need to watch my previous video. So let's get cracking, shall we? Look at this bad boy. But let's not stop right there, my fellow tech adventurers. No, we're going to take this machine to the next level. How, you may ask? By adding a 4-port 1 gig network card, of course. Because why settle with one measly network port when you can have 4, am I right? Especially for the Firewall. But wait, there's more! We are going to need 2 drives for this bad boy. One will be used to boot up our trusty hypervisor, while the other will be home of our virtual machines. Because let's face it, with what kind of power we are going to want to run a few virtual machines at once? So let's get to work, my friends. It's time to dust off that old Lenovo and show it some love. Alright, it's time to light the fuse and see if the machine is ready to take on the world. Fingers crossed that all necessary work is paid off and everything is ready to go. With the flick of the switch, we greet it with the familiar hum of the machine coming to life. The fans start to spin, the lights start to flash, and we hold our breath waiting for any signs of trouble. But wait, what's that? A quick check of BIOS confirms that all hardware is up and running smoothly. Our 2 drives are both present, accounted for. Looks like we are ready to move on to the next step, huh? The possibilities are endless. It's time to start installing our hypervisor and virtual machines. Are you ready? Then you should watch my next video. I want you to put the like for this video because it's a small click for you, but for me it means a lot. Thank you.